Hello kids! Today we are going to learn the letter X. Letter X sound X. X is for box. X is for fox. X is for taxi. X is for 6. Let's repeat one more time. Box, fox, taxi, 6. Please take a pen or a pencil and let's try to write the letter X. Uppercase X and lowercase x. Well done! Letter X, where are you? I am in the ox. I am in the fox. I am in the box. Can you see the letter X? Yes, it is in the words ox, fox, box. Time to read now. S, I, X, 6. M, I, X, mix. F, O, X, fox. B, O, X, box. X, X, S, X, sex. M, X, max. T, X, E, taxi. Let's read one more time. 6, mix, fox, box, X, sex, max, taxi. Now you read. You will see the word and then try to read. Fox, max, taxi, box, six, mix. Great job! Thank you for the lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.